Alright, it is time to make some bacon, onion, and jalapeno pizza. I've already made my breadsticks. They're right there. Basically, I tore off some chunks of the pizza crust, pulled them into semi-sticks, and baked them for 15 minutes. Here's my bacon. And now it's time to get the crust, which has been baked for 10 minutes in the toaster oven. Ooh, that is hot. It got done baking a couple of minutes ago, but boy, it's still pretty hot. Alright, so there's my pizza crust. Looks pretty good, I would say. So there's the pizza crust. And I gotta dig out my stuff here. I need some pizza sauce. And some cheese. And where are the jalapenos? That's the question. I found some salsa. I can make some tacos at some point. Okay. Here they are. Jalapenos. I always wipe everything off that I get from the store. These jalapenos were not cheap. I think they were $2.99 for that little jar. Alright, I love making my own pizza because you can put as much stuff on it as you want. I'm just going to grab one of these forks. You know, if you like your pizzas with extra sauce, nobody's going to complain about that. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe just a hair more. Yep, there we go. That's good. Now I will put the bacon on the pizza. And here's the thing. If you make your own pizza, nobody's going to charge you extra for bacon. And nobody's going to tell you that's too much bacon. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I need the onions. The onions are in the freezer because I chop and put everything in the freezer. Oh, not very many left. Whoops. It's okay. I might go to the store tomorrow and get a few things. I'm really waiting. I've got a something on order that is going to make my life very much easier. But we'll see how it turns out. Alright, that's good. Now we need the jalapenos. Always make sure the button is down. I specifically got jalapenos with a button. So let's see if it pops. Well, let's see if it opens. Oh my goodness. This is going to be one of those jars to end all jars. There it is. It popped. Of course, there's an end piece right on the top. Okay, jalapenos. Hey, there's a red one. I sure do have a lot of ends. The price I paid for these jalapenos, there shouldn't be any ends in this jar. Had some big ones though, jeez. Alright, that looks good to me. And now I need some cheese. Cheese. This is Mexican cheese. Nobody's going to complain if you use too much cheese on your pizza. All right. So I'm going to stick this in my toaster oven for about 15 minutes. All right. Now it's just waiting for the pizza to get done. All right, my pizza is done. I put my breadsticks on top of it, so hopefully you can kind of see what it looks like. I am going to go ahead and eat this. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.